Hello, my name is Bobby, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the most out of the Behaviours feature in ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud. In this particular example, I'm going to show you how you can dynamically change field names and set helper text using Behaviours to make life easier for your users when they interact with the issues. Now, previously in another video, we set up a behavior to pre-populate the summary and description fields with new values. So if I go to click Create here, we can see that the summary is pre-populated with value as well as the description. As I'm going to be modifying the summary field's name and helper text under the same logic as this template, I'm going to be modifying the same behavior. So just to run through the setup of that behavior, we've got a name, we've got a mapping, which gives us to project, webinar, issue type story, and we've got it enabled. So in here, I'm going to modify this script. Now, everything below line 4 is setting up the description, so we don't worry about that. What we're going to be using is the summary field. This is the field that we're going to be changing, so this is all I need to worry about. Once I've got the summary field, all I need to do is use the functions set name and set description. So I'm going to set the summary name to story summary, and I'm going to set the description to please give a brief summary of the feature request. These are the only two functions you need to do or need to use. So when I click save here, just to mention as well before, this script runs on load and on the create view. So this will only be applied to the create screen. Once I've done that, I can click save. Once the behavior has been saved, I can go back to here, cancel this particular issue and click create again. And now the behavior will be applied. And we can see that when the behavior is applied and the values are pre-populated, the summary field name has changed and also helper text has been applied to make life that much easier for your users. So again, an example of how you can use behaviors to customize the issue creation process for a user, give them more information, make that information dynamic as well when they need to. If I was to instead go and try and create a bug, because the behavior has not been mapped on to that field, you can see here that the summary field changes the same and there is no helper text. So it's dynamic in how you apply. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.